Fresh out of university, armed with a degree and brimming with enthusiasm, I was ready to conquer the world. The excitement of stepping into the professional realm was palpable. However, one vital area where my education had not prepared me was in managing and growing my finances through investing. The intricacies of financial management were a complete mystery to me. The world of stocks, bonds, and mutual funds was a bewildering maze of complex terms and unpredictable markets. It felt like a foreign land with its own set of rules and language. I remember staring at financial pages filled with fluctuating numbers, feeling utterly lost, as if everyone knew a secret language I hadn't been taught. The charts and graphs seemed to mock my ignorance. It wasn't just about not understanding the terms, it was about not understanding the impact of investing on my future. The potential benefits and risks were a blur. Each article and news piece seemed to scream opportunities and risks, yet I was immobilized by my ignorance. The fear of making a wrong move paralyzed me. This gap in my knowledge made me realize that while school had taught me many valuable things, it had left a gaping hole in my understanding of financial literacy. The importance of financial education became glaringly obvious. The turning point came when I realized that if I wanted to secure my financial future, waiting for someone to teach me was not an option. I had to be proactive. I had to take control and embark on a self-driven journey to uncover the mysteries of investing. The internet became my classroom, and every article a lesson. This decision marked the beginning of a transformative phase in my life, where the challenge of learning about investments became a thrilling adventure rather than a daunting task. The more I learned, the more empowered I felt. This story is not just about my journey, but is a common tale for many young individuals stepping into the real world, highlighting the critical need for an investment education that starts early and is built into our schooling system. Financial literacy should be a fundamental part of our education, preparing us for the real world. The traditional educational system excels in many areas, but financial education is often neglected. This leaves a significant gap in our education. Without financial education, students are unprepared for managing personal finances, leading to struggles in adult life. This gap affects their ability to make informed decisions about savings, investments, and debt. The traditional education system struggles to keep pace with financial changes, disadvantaging graduates. Integrating financial education into everyday learning can empower students with the knowledge they need to succeed financially. When I first started investing, my lack of knowledge led to several early mistakes that were both painful and valuable learning experiences. These initial errors were not just setbacks, but also stepping stones that paved the way for a deeper understanding of the financial world. One of my initial blunders was putting all my savings into a single stock, swayed by a friend's tip. It seemed like a sure thing at the time, a golden opportunity that I couldn't pass up. The stock plummeted within months, leaving me in a state of shock and disbelief. I had not anticipated such a drastic downturn. The lesson was harsh but clear. The importance of diversification cannot be overstated. Spreading investments across various assets can mitigate risks and provide a safety net. Another early mistake was investing in high-fee managed funds without understanding how fees could eat into my returns. I was lured by the promise of high returns, not realizing the hidden costs. It was a slow bleed that I initially overlooked, focused more on the potential gains than the costs. Over time, I saw how these fees significantly reduced my overall returns. This experience taught me to always scrutinize the fees associated with any investment product and to consider whether the potential returns justify the costs. It became clear that lower fees often meant higher net gains. Friend, I remember when you told me about that single stock investment. It was a bold move, but it taught us both a lot. It was a tough lesson, but it really drove home the point about not putting all your eggs in one basket. Diversification became a mantra for us. We both learned a lot from those early days, didn't we? Those conversations and reflections were invaluable. It's amazing how those mistakes, as painful as they were, set us on a better path. They were the foundation of our financial education. These initial missteps were discouraging, but they were also incredibly educational. They forced us to dig deeper and understand the intricacies of investing. Each mistake provided a practical lesson in investment strategy that no textbook had ever offered. Real-world experience proved to be the best teacher. I learned to question, to research, and to seek advice from more experienced investors, slowly building my confidence and skills. This approach helped me avoid many pitfalls. The real turning point came when I stopped seeing investing as a series of transactions and started viewing it as a part of a broader financial plan. This holistic view changed everything. This shift in perspective was crucial in helping me make more informed, strategic decisions about where to put my money. It allowed me to align my investments with my long-term financial goals, ensuring a more secure future. Section 4. Self-education, my path to investment knowledge. Realizing the gaps in my knowledge, I turned to a variety of resources to educate myself about investing. Books were my first stop. Titles like The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham and Common Sense on Mutual Funds by John Bogle not only expanded my understanding, but also shaped my investment philosophy. Mentor. I absorbed the principles of value investing and the importance of long-term strategic thinking. Online resources also played a crucial role in my self-education. Financial blogs and YouTube channels dedicated to investing basics provided free, accessible information that was crucial in building my knowledge base. Furthermore, I participated in webinars and online courses that offered deeper insights into specific areas of investing. Connecting with experienced investors and financial advisors who were willing to share their knowledge and experiences provided me with real-life insights and guidance that were invaluable. These relationships helped me understand the nuanced realities of the investment world, which often can't be fully captured in books or online. Investing is not a static field. It evolves with the markets, economies, and technologies. Therefore, continuous learning is essential to remain relevant and effective in managing investments. Section 5. Key takeaways for novice investors. For those new to investing, the learning curve can seem steep, but the rewards of financial growth and security are well worth the effort. Here are some key takeaways and actionable tips that can help novice investors start on the right foot. Financial advisor. 1. Start small and diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Start with small investments in different asset classes to mitigate risks. 2. Understand the fees. Always check the fees associated with any investment product. High fees can significantly reduce your returns over time. 3. Embrace education. Make use of books, online resources, and seminars to build a solid foundation of investment knowledge. 4. Plan long-term. Investing is not about making quick money. It's about growing your wealth steadily over time. Set long-term goals and invest accordingly. These tips are just starting points. The journey into investing is personal and ongoing, and what works for one might not work for another. However, the key is to start, learn, and persist. Section 6. Conclusion. Empowering your financial future. Investing can be an intimidating endeavor, especially for those who come out of an educational system that has not equipped them with the necessary financial knowledge. However, the journey from financial naivety to savvy investor is not just possible, it's profoundly empowering. Young investor. Taking control of your financial future through investing is one of the most impactful steps you can take towards securing a stable and prosperous life. Embrace the challenges and opportunities that investing presents. Remember, the most important investment you can make is in yourself and your financial education. By equipping yourself with knowledge and adopting a strategic approach to investing, you can transform your financial future. Stay motivated, stay informed, and most importantly, start now. Your future self will thank you for the initiative and perseverance you demonstrate today. Let your investment journey be a testament to the power of self-education and the pursuit of financial independence. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, or share this video.